Bling! Huh?
Hello everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you every single day how to draw something. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Mario. And I'm surprised I haven't drawn this character before because I love Mario. I'm going to start with his nose. It's almost a full circle, but not quite. Like that. And now coming up from that nose, we got a little mustache here. So I'm curving it upwards a little bit. And then I'm just doing kind of like U shapes all the way there to the nose. And then that's all we're going to see of the mustache. All right, so next I'm going to do an eye, and I'm going to put it right here. And come on up here and curve like that. And I'm going to do a line inside right there, and another one just smaller. And now inside I'm going to do a circle. And then we can color the inside of this part all dark. Like that. And I'm going to give him an eyebrow now too. So he's got some chunky eyebrows. And we can color that in dark as well. Alright, so let's do his other eye. So we're going to give it a little bit of space and do another shape like that. And we're going to make the inside very similar to what we did with the other eye. So we're going to make a curved line like that. So we curved a little bit up top, and then the inside's going to follow, and then we're going to have a circle right here. We can color the rest in dark. And that other eyebrow. And color that one in dark too. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we are going to put a line right here from that nose coming on up to the eyebrow. And then I'm going to continue that line over across right here at the top of the head. And now I'm going to kind of curve down a little bit, like that. This is actually going to be the front part of his hat. And so over here, we're going to draw upwards. And then we're curving. And we're slanting downward with that line we're doing. And come downward a little bit more. All right, so this here is the front of the hat. I'm gonna do a line right here that connects through that eyebrow spot to right here. So next I'm gonna do an ear. And he's got a real round ear. Almost a full circle, but it isn't. And the inside of the ear, we can do a shape like that. And let's do his mouth. So we can kind of do like a smile, but not a full one. And we can't forget too, we got that mustache there. So let's open up that mouth like that. And we're going to give a shape like that, which are his teeth. And do a little line right there. So we've got the tongue here, and I'm going to color this part in dark. It's just the dark spot of his mouth. We won't be able to see anything. So we got tongue and teeth. And over here, I'm going to start doing some more of the face shape. So I'm going in towards the mouth there, but we're going to come downward a little bit. And then we're coming up a little bit. And we can go on over here. All right, so now he needs a little bit of hair right here. So we're just gonna make a silly little shape like that. And let's continue on with the hat. So right here, I'm gonna sketch upwards, but curving. And we're coming downward. And right here, we're doing another little rounded shape. And we're gonna bring it here to this ear spot. And now front here, we can do a big curve. This is where that big M is gonna be on the hat. So we can do that big M. Okay. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the outfit. So I'm gonna do the straps of his outfit. Got one here, and we got a circle there for the button. And same thing right here. Strap and circle. And I'm going to draw a line right here. And I'm going to do his arm. So it's coming up. We got a little bit of arm right here. And I'm going to draw a little line and then do the other line for the arm. And let's work on that hand. So he's got these big gloves on. So I'm going to do a little line right here. We got the thumb right there. And now we're doing the fingers. So we got 1, 2, 3 little bumps there. And actually I'm going to do another little line right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers, 1 thumb. There we go. And he almost has, well, he's got these 3 little marks on his glove, and they almost look like little seeds. We can color those in dark too. They remind me of like little sunflower seeds. Okay. And so right here in the armpit area, we're going to draw a line down a little bit and then connect it with a line there. And let's work on his leg. So it's going to be curved here like that. And we can draw a shape like this. Bit of a silly shape we got going on here. And bring that leg down. And right here, we can draw his little behind. And I'm gonna do this kind of shape here with the shoe. Like that. So this is like the top part, and now we're gonna do like the sole of the shoe, the bottom part. And do a line right here, and one right here. And I'm just curving along, following that curve we got going. Okay. So now I'm going to draw a curved line here to finish off that part of the overalls. And now let's do the other leg. So it's going to be poking out here. Draw a pant leg. Like that. And we need a shoe. So we're gonna do a little bit of a funny curve like that. And then we're doing the sole of the shoe, the bottom part. It's gonna be a funny shape like that that follows along the first shape of the shoe. Now we just need the other arm. So I'm gonna start with the hand. We got a thumb shape right here. Bring this down a little bit, side of the hand. Right here, we're gonna do one little line here for a finger, and then another one right there. It's gonna be kind of poking out past that thumb. Then another curve right there. And over here, we're gonna do another curved line as well. And this one here is curving in like that. And then we're going to finish that shape of the hand. And I'm gonna make these lines a little bit longer, a little bit more curved in, like that. And part of the glove that's going around the wrist. And then we'll draw the arm like that. And now we've got our sketch done. And I'm gonna start to color. All right, everybody, so we are all finished our picture of Mario. I hope you had fun drawing along with me today, and I will see you tomorrow for the next doodle. Bye!